I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking. Hey there, REC TEC family. Chef Greg here with you today. We have a great recipe for you. We're going to do some savory roast turkey breast. We're going to pair that up with a delicious thyme and maple glazed baby carrot. It's going to be fantastic. So quick tidbit on the turkey. These are going to be split turkey breasts. These will be 2 3/4 pounds a piece. We're going to monitor the internal temp of these breasts on our wide pellet Wi-Fi controller. They shouldn't take far too long, probably about 90 to just under 2 hours. They'll be really good. So first and foremost, we're going to take that skin and we're going to pull that skin back a little bit, because what we're going to do is we're going to season that with some fresh herbs, some olive oil, and some Colden's Freakin Greek rub. And now is the time, if you see some stuff hanging off like this piece here, we'll go ahead and trim that because we don't want to eat that anyway. So if you got any loose hanging pieces of fat or skin, just go ahead and pull them off. So we'll take some olive oil and we'll go ahead and rub down the breasts, and we'll make sure we get some olive oil under the skin, and that'll help crisp that skin up as well as give it some really good color. So I've got some fresh rosemary, some fresh thyme, and some fresh sage. As well as the Freakin Greek rub. You can just pull that skin back over the top. Don't forget the backs of the birds. Get those seasoned pretty good too. And like I said, these were 2 3/4 pounds a piece, and since there's very little bone, and if your family only likes white meat, this is a great alternative to cooking that whole turkey. Let's go ahead and get these on the grill. Now for a super easy side to go along with our savory roast turkey breast, we're going to do some maple and thyme glazed baby carrots. So these couldn't be easier. I found these at the grocery store. They've got the tops on. I kind of trimmed, peeled them up. Make sure if you're using the carrots with the tops on, wash them really well because you might have some sand and dirt up in the top there. We're going to utilize a foil baking dish for these, and I'll grab a couple tablespoons of butter, some fresh thyme, a little heifer dust, and a little bit of maple syrup. And we will utilize the second shelf for the Trailblazer, and these will roast along next to that turkey probably during the last 30 minutes or so with that cook. Our savory roast turkey looks amazing. To recap, these breasts were 2 3/4 pounds a piece. We cooked them at 325. It took right about 75 minutes on one, 80 minutes on the other. We partnered this up with those maple glazed roasted carrots and some wild rice pilaf. It's delicious.